Please welcome Taloflow.
Yeah, they need me. Hi, I'm Louis Victor, the CEO of Taloflow, and what I'm going to speak to you about today is an interesting thing that happens when you are on your cloud journey. It starts to get expensive. And what's important to know is that as your scale increases on the cloud, the importance of real-time tracking information for your cloud bill is even more important. And that's important for teams that are just moving to the cloud, doing a lift and shift, and also important for teams that are cloud native, emphasize developer autonomy, and have some kind of CI/CD pipeline in place. This is what usually happens when you're making build decisions. You make a change in your infrastructure, you try to figure out what the impact on cloud spend is, very much a black box. You wait days or weeks to figure out what the impact is, you get bill shock, you try to fix it, it's reactive, and you're back in that loop again trying to see how the patterns of behavior on your infrastructure will actually impact your cloud bill. And so that's not very practical because your infrastructure is real time, your billing information, your spend information should be real time as well. And so tons of development teams and data science teams nowadays deal with issues like pin clusters, bad deployments, too many messages going through a service, GPUs left online when they shouldn't be. Those types of things start to rack up your cloud bill, and that's a big reason why today more than 40% of your cloud bill goes to waste. This is a problem with current tools today. They're all based on historical information. They're not predictive or real time. And so this is a Taloflow difference with Tim, is that we actually catch and stop the bleeding before it has significant impact on your cloud bill, and even predict when it's about to happen based on state changes in your infrastructure. And so this means that all of a sudden you can mitigate these real-time spend anomalies, analyze trends and make better decisions on your planning side, have roll-up in terms of understanding how one type of cost will impact other types of costs in your cloud infrastructure, and also incorporate billing in your technical design process. All of a sudden, your real-time changes and decisions will show you an immediate impact and feedback on your cloud bill, and you can fix reverse changes or proactively do things for proactive savings. We drastically help you improve your response time, and on top of that, we're built seamlessly into your workflow. Let me show you what that looks like. You get an anomaly detected, or you get a trend detected, boiling the frog type event. Here's something you should look at right away before it starts to impact your cloud bill in a negative way. And here's where to look. Figure out exactly how to break down the costs, what are some recommendations you can put in place right now, and where in the team you should actually apply those changes and recommend it to which team member. Finally, we actually integrate directly with your development pipeline so we can point out how a change in your infrastructure directly impacted your cloud costs. So no more are you wondering which deployment caused this spend anomaly. You will know exactly when, how, and when to reduce the impact. Integration is pretty seamless. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to integrate. We aren't invasive. There's ways we do this that don't really put any security risk to your infrastructure. And we're in beta right now and having a ton of success helping Fortune 500 companies and unicorn type companies save a bunch of money on their cloud bill and avoid bill shock. Thank you.